iba yung kasi na parang pag pinukpok mo talaga eh. So I see the intent of our president, but really kailangan din ng medyo pukpukin yung mga sa infrastructure na long term kasi lalo pagka in-extend mo yung deadline from 27 to 29 to 30, next administration na yun eh, di ba? Tapos pagdating ng 29-30, yung next administration, ang pagbibintangan nila, the former administration. So the time really for the political will, SONA, is now and maybe next year hanggang doon. After that, it's more political na eh.
Parang mas gusto niyo mas solid yung utos.
Yes. Yeah, simple and clear. But, and it could be, di ba, I mean, JF Kennedy said, sana in this decade we put someone in the moon. Hindi naman siya naglagay nung paano eh, di ba? So meaning if we do want an extensive